What's up, everyone? So I actually won a little giveaway on Instagram, and Scx24, you can see his Instagram tag right there, actually sent me some 3D printed high clearance links. So they're on the Jeep, of course. This thing was already a bit of a beast. Now it's going to be even better. And we'll see how these 3D printed links hold up to the aux motor today. And then over the weekend, I should have a package coming from Fury Tech, and that'll be real fun to test out. We'll have to do that. I'll go ahead and link where you can buy these links in the description below the video. And I'll also go ahead and link Scx24, his Instagram, underneath the video too. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to a little bit of crawling. I know that's what you guys want to see, so here we go. So for this run, we're going to start somewhere that I know the links used to hang up, at least the stock ones. And that's up at the top of this. These links shouldn't hang up near as easy. They should clear a lot more. That was the rock slider holding it there, not the links. But on this, the links hit. Much better. Didn't seem that way, but it is better. And if you're wondering, I don't have the flex blades on here anymore. The reason is I wasn't going for a lot of flex on this rig. I went for stability, so I want to have dampening all the way through. There, that's a spot the links used to hang up real bad on. Definitely helps on the top of that. And right there, the links used to hit. High clearance links are definitely worthwhile, I'm telling you. See if I can get a shot of these clearing this. Watch underneath the Jeep if you can. See that? It clears no problem. So I hope you all are enjoying the video. I want to take a second to mention my new channel. I actually started a second channel, the one I was talking about a couple videos ago. So this one isn't anything to do with RC. It's actually something me and Jenny can do together, and that is play Minecraft. So the name of the channel is TJ Crafted. If you'd like to go check it out, I'll link it in the description below. And I'd love to see a few of you over there. Basically, I'd got Jenny Minecraft over Christmas for the Switch, and I ended up enjoying it and playing it just as much as hers, so I thought it was something we could do together that would be fun. Now, back to the subject, these links, they're awesome so far. Now, we'll see how they hold up to a more powerful system whenever I can get it. But so far, they seem to be great. They definitely clear a lot more stuff. Oh, can I make it? That's a hard line. Nah. So as I was saying, I'm actually digging these high clearance links. They didn't feel super strong, but they seem to hold up. I haven't seen them twist or anything, so there is a disclaimer though that they might not hold up to a ton of abuse, so we'll see about that when I get a good brushless system in here. Dang it. That's the downfall to the rock sliders, is you do get hung up more. That did it. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to y'all a little bit, show you these links, and just have some fun with the little micro for a little bit. Nice, that used to be a problem spot. So now we'll end it where we started it. So as always, be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't. It really helps the channel out and it's free. And be sure to hit that bell icon if you are subscribed so you're notified of whenever I post. I'll talk to y'all in the next one. TTFN.